Thank you, Madam Chair, Deputy Prime Minister, Honorable Parliamentary Secretary Canada, all the delegates and friends. I'm Rasanjali Patirage, Founder President of Nation Forum of Women with Disabilities. It is great honor to join this important discussion on promoting disability rights across the Commonwealth and advancing the Commonwealth Disability Inclusion Action Plan. The Nation Forum of Women with Disabilities is an organization led by women with disabilities. We work across Sri Lanka to promote the rights, leadership, and empowerment of women and girls with disabilities through advocacy, leadership training, awareness raising, and community engagement. We support women with disabilities to become active participants and leaders in the society. As a woman with a disability myself, I know that disability inclusion is not only about policies and laws, it is about whether a child with disability can attend school, whether women with disability can find decent work, whether public transport is accessible, and whether persons with disabilities can participate equally in community and political life. 20 years after adaptation of the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, we have seen important progress. However, many persons with disabilities across the Commonwealth continue to face barriers in education, employment, healthcare accessibility, and access to justice. In Sri Lanka, we have made progress in recognizing the rights of persons with disabilities and strengthening disability inclusive policies. Organization of persons with disabilities are increasingly engaged in advocacy and policy discussions. However, many challenges remain. Accessibility is still limited in many areas. Unemployment among persons with disabilities remain high. And women and girls with disabilities continue to face discrimination and exclusion. These are not challenges unique to Sri Lanka. Many Commonwealth countries face similar issues. This is why Commonwealth Disability Inclusion Action Plan is so important. With approximately 450 million persons with disabilities living across Commonwealth countries, we need a common framework that helps governments move from commitments to action. The action plan provides an opportunity for member states to share experience, learn from each other, and work together to advance disability rights and inclusion. Thank you very much.